Hey. Hey. I'm playing with my little curly curls. What do you think? Did I say that? Guess what she said I said? She said that I said that you look like a pig. The only person who would say that is Ventia. Tia, what's up, girl?
Yeah, I know you're not putting that on YouTube.
Well, she knows I'm putting it
I
on
swear you better
YouTube.
not.
And she knows I'm putting it on YouTube. But,
You're
that's
not.
why, you heard her. She,
Stop. It's playing.
she's trying to act cute because Austin gonna see this.